Yeah, it's alright.
Rate that car, yeah, out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it
10?
Yeah, it's alright.
Can you say shout out Yuvraj?
Colin's here.
Young one. Say shout out Yuvraj.
Hey,
Yuvraj.
Rog,
Yuvraj, yeah.
you have a nice day.
Come on. That's what I
See you
like.
again.
Yeah, see you later, man.
See you again.
Come on. What's going on, my people? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If I sound a bit rough on that, obviously it's 8 AM in the morning. Not gonna lie, yeah. 8 AM and that. I really need to bang a shit, but fuck. I'm at, if you can see it over there, Halfords. I need to come collect some mesh for a part that we're going to be fitting in today's video. So obviously stay tuned. I forgot to plug in my mic, but you know what? Hopefully you can hear this. Then we're going to head over to the place where I'm going to get it fitted. And yeah, it's going to look so sick. It was my birthday yesterday, so of course you guys know I had to get a new mod. Come on. Yeah, but come on guys, it's early mornings. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit the like button, comment, and yeah, let's fucking go. Yeah, so I've just collected the parts, this and this glue. So yeah, let's head off and let me show you guys what we're going to do today. Yeah, so the car currently has this dark grey honeycomb patterned vent, but we're going to be changing that to a gloss black one with accents. If you don't know much about the cars, then it just looks normal, but once you see the upgrade, you'll realise that this is not that good looking. But let's go. Yeah, so guys, this is the old one and that's the new one. As you can see, big difference. That one's gloss black, has some little accents and that. And this is just cheap shit. Yeah, it's going to be put on. It's going to look sick. Look at the difference there. Let me move back. Crazy difference compared to that and that. Yeah, once this is complete, it's gonna look mad. Yeah, so guys, the new front end is finally complete. We've got the A45 vent dash grille conversion done. But before I continue the video and show you guys the final results, make sure to hit up B Automotive. No other places would even do a job like this. It's quite tricky, even putting that on, taking the bumper off. No other places would do it, so make sure you hit him up for all your customizations, spoilers, side skirts, anything, literally anything guys, wrapping, even detailing. Yeah, I'm gonna put his at right here, so yeah, go check him out. It's so windy right now, but guys, look at these custom phone cases I got. How sick do they look? Pictures on my car, I got 2. You can get any picture, any style, literally anything. I'm gonna put that out here as well. Check him out. Tell him I sent you. He might sort you out. Come on. But now let me reveal to you the final results. So windy guys, but let me show you the comparison. Which side is this? Oh shit man, I don't know which side this is yet, but let me figure this out. Oh, I can't remember. I think okay, it was this way. That's the old, yeah. Oh okay, let me turn the camera. We got a little piece that needs to go just up here, and it's gonna look even more aggressive. It's gonna stick out a lot more, but that's gonna be put on soon. But yeah, so far so good. So So guys, just look at the difference. That's the old one and that's the new one. Just look, crazy difference. It's not something you really, it's not like something you'd really think to do or really think, okay, it's not like it looks shit. But once you get it changed, you realize that that plastic trim, that's not even like gloss black, is like a dark grey plastic cheap plastic piece. Yeah, once you get it changed, you realize like what a difference it makes to the car. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, it's looking like a snack right now. It's looking like a snack. The wind is crazy right now and the sun is out as well in my face, but look how sick that looks, guys. But I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm gonna hopefully have some reviews and stuff coming for you guys. Got some cars lined up, hopefully to be on the channel soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and peace.